Hi guys, Black here. The Lowe's delivery called me about 25 minutes ago and said they were on the way. It was gonna be here in about 30 minutes. Again, that was about 25 minutes ago. The guy sounded like a young, sexy black man.
What?
So I'm gonna try to run the
What
camera.
this motherfucker just say?
Minutes ago. The guy sounded like a young, sexy black man.
Fruits.
Here in about 30 minutes. Again, that was about 25 minutes ago. The guy sounded like a young, sexy black man.
Fruits.
I don't know, bro. I don't know. I don't know.
So I'm gonna try to run the camera, especially after they done pissed me off. But I mean,
So he sound like a young, sexy black man. So you gonna try to run the camera? Hey man, this dude on some old sneaky, freaky type shit.
run the camera. So I'm gonna try to run the camera, especially after they done pissed me off. But I mean, here it is. Oh, I'm sorry. Here it is. I think that's them outside. Yeah, that's them outside. It's been what? It's 7 something, and they supposed to got here by 3:15. It's 8:10 p.m.
It happens, bro. I talk about it all the time. Sometimes the truck run behind, and the later it gets in the day, the farther the truck runs behind. So
8:10 p.m.
at least they can.
Here they are right here.
They definitely probably tired, fatigued.
Anywho, let's see what's going on.
Buddy ass don't know that Buddy
What's going
ass is on some freaky shit with him.
You want to bring it?
Get off my grass, sexy boy.
Fruits.
What the fuck is going on out here in these streets? What's wrong with this dude, bro? What is this man's? Get off my grass, sexy boy. What?
Through the garage or through the front door?
I mean, which way easier? It's not. It was the refrigerator. Yeah, we'll stop with that.
Lowe's Peachtree, Indiana Boulevard. Lowe's Peachtree. Is this Atlanta? What is he getting delivered? What is this?
Yeah, you're gonna need it there from the bottom.
Oh, these some YNs. They don't know what they doing. They better be careful. Bubba on that. Bubba might. Big Bubba, he on some freaky shit with him. They don't even know. Man, what is up with this dolly, bro? And through the crib, bro. And why does Buddy got his book bag on? He got his tools in his book bag.
I'm trying my hardest. I need you all.
Tweaking, bro. Lazy, bro. Oh. Oh, man. What do you say, my fault? What do you say, my fault? Why are you in there with a dolly, bro? Tweaking.
I'm sorry. We can get it in with the dog.
You might want to just put it down and slide again.
Yeah.
Oh man, Lord. Now he got himself in a tight situation. Clearly he didn't walk through to see where the shit was going. Because if he did, he wouldn't be in this situation.
You sure you want me to start the pressure for?
Well, the guy slid the refrigerator and it didn't do so. Hopefully, let's see what happens. It surprised me when he did the refrigerator.
Never smell anything from Young Thug. He called Buddy ass Young Thug. Hell no.
Is that the washer?
No, dry. Wash yours over here.
The washer connected right there.
So it's a stackable washer and dryer. Let's see if he set it
Oh,
on.
that's what we got long. It's a long.
If they stack it or
But it won't. If we put that right there, and
they set it on risers or you just leave it on the floor.
Water cord is not long enough.
So you want to put it over here?
Yeah, I'll say put that right there. But the ride cord right there is long. It's extra long, 8 feet.
I was wondering how that was gonna work.
Yeah. I was kind of wondering why y'all bought the long one. It's gonna be close to the thing. But everything makes sense now.
Man, these dudes is, hey man, hey, y'all little young booty is money. Man, what is up with this? Man, what? Hold on a second. Let me see if this dude's channel is. What type of weird ass goofy shit this dude ass on? What type of shit is dude ass on, bro? Buddy is.
Fruits.
Hey man, y'all, the delivery guy's tweaking.
I'll put it in all the way.
You want to get it 2-0 quick for it?
Hey, for all my brothers that's still in the final mile delivery business, man, just now what I'm seeing, cause I y'all been trying to get me to react for shit for the longest, and I never y'all gotta be careful when y'all going into these jobs, especially with these meta glasses and people who got these Nest cameras and all type of shit. Man, just make sure when you go into these places, you on your best behavior, you professional, you got your shit together, bro. Because you might be being recorded unbeknownst to you. So just make sure you got your shit together and always keep in the back of your mind it's a possibility you being recorded. Especially when somebody like that first or that second lady, you know, motherfucker could be egging you on purposely just to create this storyline for content. So just be careful, man.
You must have just got the place.
Yeah. 18.
Correct.
4-bedroom house for a single person. Kind of crazy, right?
And man, they give you more things to do. Have a game room, your own movie room.
You need this?
I should have gave him some butt wipes. See, he clowning, buddy. And I'm gonna keep it a buck with you. you shouldn't be funky. I don't care if you had a full day, but everybody's hygiene is different. You know what I'm saying? You should keep you some, you should a couple swipes of deodorant, you dig what I'm saying, under each arm should be good in the morning, no matter how much. I mean, for me, it is. Everybody's hygiene is different. Some people got some funny shit going on. Some people got some funny shit going on that's beyond their control. It's that like gland and shit like that. But like, to the customers too, he said it's 8 o'clock. These guys been humping. I'm assuming these guys is down in Georgia. It looked like it's probably the summertime. You know what I'm saying? So, I mean, they've been sweating. You dig? Some of you guys, with your uniform shirts, if you recycle the same shirt every day, what buddy ass doing? You tweaking. You got to remember, if you constantly wearing the same uniform shirt over and over and over again, you sweating, you're going to sweat that shirt out. So you got to have an array of work shirts to cycle through. If you sweating the shirt out every single day and you using that same shirt every day, even if you wash it, you're going to sweat it out. You dig what I'm saying? And it's going to have that stench to it. So, you got to, have different work pants, work shorts, work shirts. Practice good hygiene, man, because now buddy ass in this situation, he being recorded. I'm giving him a little grace because it's a tough job, that you're going to perspire. And now this customer is making fun of him. He probably don't even know he on YouTube being made fun of. So, man, just, keep your hygiene up, pimp.
All right, guys. They finally came. They put the dryer in. But guess what they did? The young guy, the guy that was sagging his freaking pants, the guy who smelled like ass, pushed the dryer back too far and knocked the hose off the damn thing. The skinny guy stood right here and saw it, bent over like he was going to put it back on, but as you can see, he didn't put it back on. Ain't that a bitch?
Well, you could tell by the way the attempt they made, how they was coming in with the dollies and shit, that these guys is, not trained very well. They were young guys. Probably got in the box truck business, found the final mile aspect, and and I'm paying attention to details. These guys was young. They probably not homeowners. So you should treat people's things like you would treat your own. But, them guys was really, really young. They look like they was probably in their early 20s. So I'm not giving them any grace, but I don't think they understand the importance of being careful, treating people's houses like it was theirs. Like, you shouldn't be. I'm not willing to dolly through somebody's home, especially if I ain't laid no runners down. In that particular situation, it was tight. You got to make sharp turns with the dolly, man. Just put the damn thing on the straps and walk it through, bro. Like, I don't understand why people just don't put the work in. But these was shorties, man, so they trying to cut corners and shit, bro. And when you cut corners, shit like that happen. So.
Oh, he's apologizing.
My bad. It was on there completely. It moved when we pushed it, but sir, you can push it in. But I'm sorry about that. See? You can push it.